What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another set of tech reviews, or should I say another set of case reviews. I have my Apple AirPods right here. This is generation 2 on the AirPods. Got a charger. See, the light came on. These are some brand new cases. I just got in from the company Maxjoy. Let's get them unboxed. Let's get them open. Let's check them out. Okay, so all this just came in from the company Maxjoy. Now, you open these cases up and you get all these little pieces down inside. You get extra ear pieces that can flap over your ear. You get the actual case itself. You get a little heart shape clip. So ladies, you can clip this on your purse, on your bags, and you get these lanyards that actually hook onto the AirPod stems and can hang around your neck just in case you go to the gym. They won't fall off. We'll put all that to the side for now. Tons of accessories coming with these little devices. But we want to focus on the actual case itself. Now, they have tons of different colors. I'm going to link these below so you can go and check them out for yourself. But these are the cases right here. So if you notice, each one of these cases has a little hole on the front. That's so you can see it charge. I'm going to pop that top on just like so. Your back is going to be exposed a little bit right here, but that's okay. And then we actually want to, there we go. So these cases will support charging through the case. You don't have to take them out. And then you ladies can put your clips here and you can rock out. Now, I'm going to try the other case out. So let me get it on. So here we go. Got our charger. Lay that on. Boom. There we go. We got charging. Charging is on deck, on point through these cases. Nothing to worry about in that aspect. So hopefully this is able to help someone out. Remember, these are from the company Maxjoy. Go check them out. Link will be below. Until next time, please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.